Have you noticed different faces but the same patterns, different people but the same pain? Someone ignores you, someone leaves you, and every time you ask yourself, why does this keep happening to me? The truth is, this is less about them, more about the child within you. When you were 4 or 5 years old, all you needed was love and safety. But at that age, so many of us might have felt ignored, misunderstood, or perhaps lived with the feeling we are not enough. A belief is created within us, I have to earn love, people leave me, I'm not that important. And now, our nervous system recognizes that familiar pain and unconsciously chooses it over and over again. Because what is familiar feels safe, even if it hurts. You are not consciously choosing these partners. Your inner child is. That little version of you is still waiting for someone to come and give them the love they didn't receive back then. But here's the truth. No person can fill that void until you choose to heal it yourself. Healing doesn't mean changing the past. It means changing your relationship with the past. It means connecting with yourself more deeply than you have ever done before. Right now, I'm going to take you through a powerful guided meditation where we will learn to connect with ourselves and make way for whatever is blocking us to be released. To be released with ease, love, and grace. Let's begin. Take a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Relax. Imagine you are standing outside your childhood home where you lived. This is the place where you lived as a child. You slowly open the door and walk inside. There you see your 5 or 6-year-old self. Maybe this younger version of yourself is alone. Maybe this 5 or 6-year-old is crying. Maybe everything around is very quiet. Whatever you see, allow it to come to your mind. Do not stop anything from entering your mind at this point. Gently walk towards this younger self of yours, this little child. Make them sit down before you and say to them, my dear one, I am here. I have come for you. You are not alone anymore. I will never leave you. Go ahead, give them a warm hug. Let this child know he doesn't have to prove anything to anyone. This child is loved just the way it is. Allow this child to feel your love and warmth as they are still in your arms. Slowly feel this fear melting away. Hold on to this beautiful moment because this is a moment of release. Each time you feel anxious, stressed, or worried about something, come back to this exercise of hugging your inner child, letting the child know that the child is not alone. Now, let's begin to take this exercise deeper. Look into the eyes of the child and say to the child, I know what you've been through. I know when you have felt hurt. Today I promise I'll never abandon you. I'll always give you the love you deserve. You are safe with me. It's time for us to take another deep breath. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Relax. Feel the relaxation in your mind and body. When you heal your inner child, your energy shifts. Your nervous system starts to feel safe. It goes from the fight and flight mode into the peace mode. You then stop attracting people who hurt you. You start attracting people who respect and love you. It's now time to acknowledge the pain or perhaps the feeling of unworthiness that you have felt in your past relationships. Perhaps a specific person is coming to your mind right now. Whatever you're feeling with respect to your past, just acknowledge it as it comes. And now, slowly tell the child, I am sorry for whatever is in me that may have created this. Please forgive me, my family, my ancestors, for creating this knowingly, unknowingly. Thank you for choosing to be here with me. Thank you for cleaning with me. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. Look at your child with love as you repeat the words, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let the child feel your love. These are not just cleaning words that connect you to your child. These are healing mantras that will help you release old karmic debts, even curses that you may have been carrying across lifetimes. Keep your hands on top of the head of the child. Assure the child that it's safe now, that you have got its back. Now, from your child, take your attention back to your breath. Notice the incoming and outgoing of your own breath. It's time to remind yourself you don't need anyone else to complete you. You just need to keep coming back to your younger self, to connect with your subconscious mind, your inner child, and keep saying to the child, you are safe. Everything is going to be okay. These words will work as amazing transformative healing tools that will allow the child to release the past. I'm slowly going to count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you will open your eyes. 1. Feeling a deep sense of connection with your inner child. 2. Keeping a smile on your face, you are reminding yourself, you choose to heal. Counting 3, rub your palms against each other. Gently place them on your eyes. Now with a smile on your face, slowly open your eyes. Remember, healing doesn't happen one day, but it happens a little every day. Continue doing this for the next 30 days and come back to share your experiences. Comment, I choose to heal if this resonated with you. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.